ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We were seeing the Vakyas in Abhyasa 4. We finished Vakyas, Ashuddha Vakya and Shuddha Vakya. This we have to see. Dvau balakaha is given. What is the correct Vakya? Shrishaji?
Dvau balakau.
Please don't see here answers are there without seeing. You can answer. Next, Shivananji, Chatvaraha Naraha.
चत्वारः नर
Chatvaraha.
नराः.
Chatvaraha is Bahuvachanam, so Naraha is Bahuvachanam. Aparnaji, Ashtalata Asti.
Ashtalataah santi.
Jaya, Dasha Pustakam Asti.
दश पुस्तकानि सन्ति.
Kavya Cha Bhojanam Api. Kavya is there?
No, Amma.
Avantikaji, Cha Bhojanam Api.
Bhojanancha api cha.
Bhojanam Cha Api.
Cha api.
Yes. Next, Anusha, Ishvaraha Santi.
Ishvaraha asti.
Vijayaji, Vayam Asmi.
Vayam smaha.
Next, Shirishaji, Aham Smaha.
Asmi.
Next, Shivananji, Tvam Sta.
त्वमसि.
Tvam Asi. That is not there. Tvam Asi direct. Yuyam Asi. Aparnaji?
Yuyam. It's not coming to me tonight.
Okay, next, Jaya?
यूयम् स्तः sta.
Staha.
Tam. यूयम् sta.
यूयम्
sta,
is bahuvachanam. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Asti, staha, santi. Asi, staha, stha. As dhatu.
sta.
So these are very good example. These are very good to practice the lakara and as dhatu.
Okay, amma.
These all are dhatu and as dhatu. Yuyam sthaha. Yuyam stha, sorry. Tvam karoti. Avantika ji.
Tvam karoshi. Si.
Tvam karo.
She or si.
Karoshi.
If it is in lat.
No, even in lat lakara, karoshi.
Si.
Rakara is there. So, because of that rakara, sakara will change into murdhanya shakara.
Okay.
The sutra is at Kupang Numyavayepi. Tvam karoshi. Sa kurvanti. Anusha?
Sah karoti.
Vijayaji, aham kurmaha.
Aham karomi.
Next, Shirshaji, vayam karomi.
Vayam kurmaha.
Ramaha cha Krishnaha patati. Shivananji?
Ramah Krishnah cha patanti.
Krishnaha. What is the dhatu? Kriya pada?
Kriya patati patata patanti. Kriya pada patat. Okay, dvivachana is there, no? Patati patataha. Okay, Ramah Krishnah cha patataha.
Patati patataha. Ramaha Krishnaha cha patataha. Pushpancha phalam. Aparnaji?
Pushpam phalam cha tha.
No, that much.
Wrong.
Pushpam
Pushpam
phalam cha.
phalam cha.
Saha karoshi. Avantika ji?
Sah karoti.
Jaya avam kurutaha.
Avam kurvaha. Avam kurvaha, amma.
Yuyam kurutha. Anusha?
Yuyam kurutha.
Yuyam kurutha. Everybody is comfortable with pratyahara?
No.
Okay. Ak pratyahara. What is the ak pratyahara? Next who? Vijayaji?
A, I, O, ro, ro.
Next, I don't know what is the word that. ach. Second one is ach. Shirisha ji, ach pratyahara.
A I O ru r A O I O.
Up to that?
Ach, right? A I O ru A O I O.
Yes. Next, Shivananji, at.
A I U R A O I O Ayavara.
Eng. Avantika ji.
A-O, A-O, sorry, eng, A-O only.
H. Aparna ji.
I will pass on this, Purnaji. I will have to revise and get back on this.
Okay, okay. Anusha, H.
A-O-I-O-M.
H. Jaya.
I ouch.
Cha won't be there. I, ow. That much.
Okay.
Yeah, this much is enough. If you are not comfortable, then you can practice on your own. You want to try the vakyas? Trayaha, chatvaraha, yes. Where we are? Okay. Shirisha ji, trayaha. Can you try any vakya with that?
Traya. Traya vana. Traya vanaah santi.
Vanam, vane.
Vanani.
Vanamaha santi.
No. Vanam, vane, vanani, vanam, vane, vanani. Trayaha vanani santi.
Santi.
Trayaha vanani santi. Next, Shivananji, chatvaraha.
Chattvaraha balakaha.
Kridanti. Sorry.
क्रीडं कुर्वन्ति या क्रीडन्ति? Which will be?
You can use creed dhatu as creed as verb also, noun also.
Okay.
Creedati, creedataha, creedanti. It will go like that. If you use as noun, then creedaha, like Rama Shabda. Creeda, Strilinga Shabda. Chatvaraha
Balakaha. Creedaa kurvanti.
Creedam kurvanti. Next, Avantika ji.
Which one?
Dasha.
Dasha. Dasha phalani santi.
Dasha phalani santi. Next, asti. Aparna ji, you want to try for asti?
Yes, yes, Poonaji, I will say. Mama grihe आम्रफलम् अस्ति.
नेक्स्ट सन्ति. अनुषा.
ते बालकाः तत्र सन्ति.
Can you repeat again?
ते बालकाः तत्र सन्ति.
Jaya.
అమ్మ అదే రిపీట్ చేయాలనమ్మా?
No. Asmi. Next one.
అహం అత్ర అస్మి.
Aham atra asmi. Next one, smaha. Vijayaji.
अहं फले स्मः. Sorry, आवां फले स्मः.
Fale is which vibhakti?
फलं फले फलानि.
Okay, dvitiya vibhakti. Dvitiya dvivachanam.
Okay.
You are using prathama or dvitiya there?
द्वितीया.
Okay. Next, karoti. Shirishaji.
रामः क्रीडां करोति.
Next, karomi. Is that karomi? Karomi. Shivananji.
अहं वाक्यं करोमि.
Aham.
वाक्यं.
Vakyani.
अहं वाक्यानि करोमि.
Okay. When we say vakyani, likhami is the better word. Karomi. Okay, if we are creating some new words, then vakyani karomi. Yes. Okay. Aham atra. As dhatu. We have to use the as dhatu and kro dhatu. Which kriya pada should come here? That we have to know. Aparnaji, aham atra.
अहम् अत्र अस्मि.
Avantikaji, te tatra. Using as dhatu, which kriya pada should come here? Te tatra. Okay, next. Jaya.
ते तत्र सन्ति.
Anusha, yuyam iha.
यूयम् इह स्तः.
Vijayaji, te kim.
ते किं कुर्वन्ति.
Next, Shirishaji, aham bhojanam.
अहं भोजनं करोमि.
Tvam tatra kim. Shivananji.
त्वं तत्र किं करोषि.
Kim.
Karoshi.
Karoshi. Aparna ji, Yuyam Kim?
Yuyam Kim Kurmaha.
Okay.
కురుథా అమ్మ కురుథా కదమ్మా మధ్య పురుష
हाँ, मध्यम पुरुष.
Bahuvachan.
Yuyam.
Sorry, yeah, I thought it was Vayam. Sorry, yes. Yuyam
Yes.
Kim Kurutha. Correct.
Good. Okay. So far, any doubt? Up to 4 chapters? Shall we go to next? Shall we start? 5th chapter?
Yes,
Janaka.
we can start.
Janakaha. Janakaha akaranta pullinga shabda, meaning father. Janakaha pita, father. Putra, also akaranta pullinga shabda, son. Suryaha, Surya, also akaranta pullinga. Chandra, also akaranta pullinga. Sajjana, meanings putra means son, Surya means sun, Chandra means moon, Sajjana, good people, Durjana, bad people. Prajna means wise person, learned person. Loka, Loka they have given as samsara. Even in Bhashya sometimes Loka word can use as samsara. Upadhyaya means teacher, guru. Shishya, student. All are akaranta pullinga shabda. Prashna, question. Also same. Krosha means curse. Shapinchadam. Dharma, virtue. Dharma. Sagara, ocean. This is from Tud onwards, dhatus. Tud means this is Tanadigana. Tudadigana. Tudadigana, 4th conjugation. Dukhona means to pain. Tud means pain. Ish, to desire. Sprush, to touch. Prach, to ask. Up to here, dhatus. Abhitaha means both sides. Paritaha, 4 sides. Samaya, near. Samaya, near. Nikasha, also near. Nikashashmasu shabda came somewhere. Nikashashmasu, Naishkarma Siddhi starting in one of the shloka, Nikashashmasu, that word is used. But their meaning is not Samipa. Nikashashmasu, there, wise people, Vidvan. Ha, Ha means dukha, to pain. Prati means towards or side. Anu means following. Up to this is clear?
Yes.
Yes, Purna.
They have given Sambodhan somewhere. Okay. Rama Shabda, they are asking to decline completely. This is the Rama Shabda. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Ramat, Ramad, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam. Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu. He Rama, He Ramau, He Ramaha. Here, whatever shabdas are given, we have to decline all the shabdas. Janaka. Yeah, please. Shirishaji, can you decline Janaka shabda?
जनकः जनकौ जनकाः जनकां जनकौ जनकान् जनकेन जनकाभ्यां जनकैः जनकाय जनकाभ्यां जनकेभ्यः जनकात् जनकाभ्यां जनकेभ्यः जनकस्य जनकयोः जनकयां
Janakanam.
जनकानां जनके जनकयोः जनकेषु हे जनक हे जनकौ हे जनकाः.
What is the Dvitiya Ekavachanam?
जनकां
Janakam. Ramam. Janakam.
जनकम्. Okay.
Okay, next. Shivananji. Putra. Meanings you know, right? We saw earlier. Ramaha means one Rama. Ramau means two Ramas. Ramaha. Three or many Ramas. Ramam means two Rama. Ramau means two, both Ramas. Two, many Ramas. Three or many. Ramena, by Rama or through Rama. By Ramabhyam, by both Ramas or through both Ramas. Ramaihi, through many Ramas or by many Ramas. Ramaya, for Rama. Ramabhyam, for both Ramas. Ramebhyaha, for many Ramas. Ramat, from Rama, than Rama. Two kinds of meanings will come. from Rama than Rama. Another is Hetu Arte Panchami. When we want to give the Hetu, also we will use Panchami. From both Ramas and than both Ramas. From many Ramas than many Ramas. Ramasya, of Rama. Ramayoho, of both Ramas. Ramanam, of many Ramas. Rame, in Rama, on Rama. Ramayoho, in both Ramas, on both Ramas. Rameshu, in 3 Ramas or many Ramas, or on many Ramas. Either way. Hey Rama it is Sambodhana. We are calling one Rama. Hey Rama, both Ramas we are calling. Hey Ramaha. I don't know English how they call Hey Rama. Anyone knows how to say in English Hey Rama?
O Rama.
In English also O Rama? Okay. In Telugu O Rama. Okay. Next Putraha, Shivananji.
पुत्रः पुत्रो पुत्राः पुत्रं पुत्रो पुत्रान् पुत्रेण पुत्राभ्यां पुत्रैः पुत्राय पुत्राभ्यां पुत्रेभ्यः पुत्रात् पुत्राभ्यां पुत्रेभ्यः पुत्रस्य पुत्रयोः पुत्राणां पुत्रे पुत्रयोः पुत्रेषु हे पुत्र हे पुत्रो ये पुत्राः.
Next, what is the Shabda? Surya. Aparnaji?
Suryah, Suryau, Suryaha, Suryam, Suryau, Suryan, Suryena, Suryabhyam, Suryaihi, Suryaya, Suryabhyam, Suryebhyah, Suryebhyah, Surya, Suryabhyam, Suryebhyah, Suryasya, Suryayoho, Suryanam, Surye, Suryayoho, Suryeshu, He Suryah, He Suryau, He Suryaha.
In Prathama Sambodhanam, Ekavachana Sambodhanam, He Surya, Visarga won't be there.
Won't be there.
Here, Prathama Ekavachanam, Visarga will be there. Here, Prathama Ekavachanam, Visarga won't be there. Here, Supratyaya is there. In Prathama Ekavachanam. Here, in Rama, this Supratyaya will get Lopa. By this sutra, Sakara gets Lopa. Okay, next. Suryaha, Chandraha. Avantikaji?
Chandraha, Chandrau, Chandraha, Chandram, Chandrau, Chandran, Chandrena, Chandrabhyam, Chandraihi, Chandraya, Chandrabhyam, Chandrebhyah, चन्द्रात् चन्द्राभ्यां चन्द्रेभ्यः चन्द्रस्य चन्द्रयोः चन्द्राणां चन्द्रे चन्द्रयोः चन्द्रेषु हे चन्द्र हे चन्द्रौ हे चन्द्राः.
Next, Anusha, Sajjanaha.
सज्जनः सज्जनौ सज्जनाः सज्जनं सज्जनौ सज्जनान् सज्जनेन सज्जनाभ्यां सज्जनैः सज्जनाय सज्जनाभ्यां सज्जनेभ्यः सज्जनात् सज्जनाभ्यां सज्जनेभ्यः सज्जनस्य सज्जनयोः सज्जनानां सज्जने सज्जनयोः सज्जनेषु हे सज्जना हे सज्जनौ हे सज्जनाः.
Durjanaha, Jaya.
दुर्जनः दुर्जनौ दुर्जनाः दुर्जनं दुर्जनौ दुर्जनान् दुर्जनेन दुर्जनाभ्यां दुर्जनैः दुर्जनाय दुर्जनाभ्यां दुर्जनेभ्यः दुर्जनात् दुर्जनाभ्यां दुर्जनेभ्यः दुर्जनस्य दुर्जनयोः दुर्जनानां दुर्जने दुर्जनयोः दुर्जनेषु हे दुर्जने हे दुर्जनौ हे दुर्जनान् हे दुर्जनाः.
Prajnaha, Vijayaji.
प्राज्ञः प्राज्ञौ प्राज्ञाः प्राज्ञं प्राज्ञौ प्राज्ञान् प्राज्ञेन प्राज्ञाभ्यां प्राज्ञैः प्राज्ञाय प्राज्ञाभ्यां प्राज्ञेभ्यः प्राज्ञात् प्राज्ञाभ्यां प्राज्ञेभ्यः प्राज्ञस्य प्राज्ञयोः प्राज्ञानां प्राज्ञे प्राज्ञयोः प्राज्ञेषु हे प्राज्ञा हे प्राज्ञौ हे प्राज्ञाः.
This Rama Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, we have to memorize. Okay, next we will see tomorrow, continuation after that Shabdas. We were seeing up to Aham Vande Visa. Aham Vande Namaskaromi. Is there any sandhis in that?
Aham karomi.
Namaha Karomi. Which sandhi?
Visarjaniya saha.
Visarjaniyasya saha. I will just revise the sutras.
That Vande Manuswarasya that is applicable, Mother.
Yes, yes. Visarjaniyasya saha. Oh, this. Padanta visarga, when it is followed by kar varna, then that visarga will change into sakara. Here example, Ramastrayate. That sakara, after sakara, takara is there. That takara belongs to kar pratyahara. Then that sakara will change into visarga. Samanaha trupyati. Actually, it should be other way. After visarga, in this samanaha trupyati. After visarga, there is takara. Takara belongs to kar pratyahara. Then that visarga will change into sakara. Samanas strupyati. In this way, samana strupyati. Visarga, when it is followed by khar pratyahara, then that visarga will change into sakara. That is the visarjaniyasya saha. Next, anuswarasya yai parasavarnaha. After anuswara, if there is yai pratyahara, then that anuswara will change into parasavarna. Para means yai, whatever is the letter belongs to yai pratyahara, that letter is called yai. Savarna means that varga fifth letter is called savarna. Parasavarna means yai, fifth letter of that yai pratyahara. Like example, Shantaha is there. After Anuswara, in this after Anuswara, there is Takara. Takara belongs to Yai Pratyahara. This Takara's fifth letter is Nakara. So Shantaha. In this way, Anuswarasya Yai Parasavarnaha. Vande. Here also Vande. That Vam Anuswara is there. Anuswara, after Anuswara, Dakara is there. Dakara belongs to Yai Pratyahara. Then that Anuswara will change into Parasavarna. Parasavarna, Para means Dakara is Para letter. Dakara's fifth, Dakara Varga's fifth letter is Nakara. So, Vande. In this way, it is Vande. Vande Namaskaromi. Okay, we'll see in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Om.
Hari Om.